Today in the grain market, soybeans were higher. The report that came out this morning that China reduced their acreage about 5%, perhaps is what gave the soybean market maybe a little bit of a boost later in the day, because certainly when the USDA report came out, it was neutral at best for the U.S. stocks. World stocks was even a little bit bearish for soybeans, but it was able to rally up over 20 cents. So I think that was maybe the biggest surprise today. Corn was a little bit higher. Again, that was also a neutral for U.S. and maybe even neutral for world stocks. I thought that maybe the market might need a little more to get that rolling, but that wasn't the case. The weekend rains were a little bit less than expected, and perhaps when you look at the weather map, when they start talking of 100 degrees, I think it's very difficult to hold the grain markets down right here in the middle of summer. So that could be having somewhat of an effect on the market, kind of shaking off the relatively neutral USDA report. The big winner today was wheat, and that was the leader, and that's surprising. Because normally wheat is not the big leader here. But certainly as the harvest has come in, the good to excellent on the crop rating has been very, very low, and maybe not since for a couple of decades, before the 2000 number. So I think that gave that market, somewhat of a pop. I know that it's been dry a little bit in Russia as well, but the market really got a little bit of a boost. And that the cure for lower prices is lower prices. So it's very possible that the correction is in, and the selling has gotten exhausted and the market's turned around. Perhaps it's, the first of the week here, algorithms are starting to catch fire. And, once the momentum starts to build, that's going to be something to watch going forward. So will we have turnaround Tuesday? That remains to be seen. We'll take a look at it. But certainly the fundamentals are a little bit stronger than we expected, and the markets were green across the board to finish.